I'm going to talk about the grouping function now, which can be found in a variety of different places, but I'll start here, which is the main list of groups. And the whole reason to have a group is to make a group of tools so that you can easily find them or to associate them to certain things, because the naming of the groups is all up to you. So whether it's by job or machine or whatever, you can do what you need. It all starts by making a group. So I'm going to make a new group by pressing the new button here. And I'll just call this my group. And I'll save that, and that'll get added to the list of groups. You can also rename and delete groups here. Next, I'll go to the Tools tab, and I'll select the group. Now, any tool that's over on the right side will be part of that group, and the list of all of your tools will be here on the left side. And to send things over, you just simply pick one or more, and press this button, and that will carry those tools into that group. Similar, if I want to take tools out of a group, then I can use this button. It'll go the other way around. Once I'm happy, I can close that, and those guys are now in that group. So if I go in the Tools section, I have a pull down where I can pick the groups. And here you can see my group is there, and if I pick that, I have the 3 tools that I added. There is another way that you can add them as well. Depending if you're importing a single tool versus multiple, you can do it in 2 different ways. So I'm going to import this tool, and it's going to have a Groups tab. So as I'm importing each tool, I can always come in here, I can pick my group, or I can create more groups, and that will now add that into whatever group check marks. And any tool can be associated to any amount of groups. So if it's in multiple groups, that's no problem. I can press OK, and that'll be added to that group. If I have multiple tools and I import those, it's automatically going to let me either put them in group lists, create a new group, or pick an existing group to add them to. And that will just do a mass add into there. And now when I pick my group, you can see that they're going to be all in the list. So it's a great way to find your tools. And again, the naming is up to you. So it's a great function.